Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, and in this video, I will show you how to screen record or screenshot your Windows PC using Microsoft Copilot AI. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, if you are using Windows 11, just come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Click on it. And if you are using Windows 10 also, go ahead and click on your startup menu. So after click on your startup menu, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Copilot right here. Now, on getting to Copilot in the work environment right here, next thing you want to do, go ahead and make sure you navigate to this plus sign right here. Click on it. Then you have take screenshot right here. Go ahead and click on take screenshot. And in a few seconds, this window here is going to pop up, which allow you to screen record, or better still, allow you to take screenshot. So you can click on the screenshot part right here, which allow you to capture rectangle or window. And then another options here are color and at the same time copy text from image. Let's say for instance we want to take a screenshot. Here we have the camera snap area. So if you want to take a screenshot, simply click on here and choose options by which you want to use to take a screenshot. Let's say, for instance, I want to capture full screen. So click on it. And in a few seconds, you have your screenshot right here. Just like so. Now, you have the screenshots in the Copilot here also. You can go ahead and start asking Copilot about your particular screenshot. Let's say, for instance, I want to ask Copilot to extract home screen app icons from the image. Then I will go ahead and hit on send. And in a few seconds, you can see everything has been fully extracted and analyzed right here. Same way I have it on my screen right here. Take a look at it. Desktop shortcut, Recycle Bin, Corel Print, Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora, Wondershare 14, Corel Capture, Illustrator, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. We have everything, including folder was extracted and what we have in the folder, just like so. You can go on and start asking Copilot different questions about it. And also, you can also use the particular tools to take a screenshot from a web page and ask Copilot to work on that particular screenshot with you. Like for instance, if I bring out my Chrome browser right here, in my home screen right here, and I go ahead and bring out my Copilot right here, then I want Copilot to take a screenshot of the web page and make some analysis about it. So I'll come down below right here. I'll make sure I click on this plus sign right here. I'll click on take screenshot, and this window here is going to pop up. I'll come here and I'll simply go ahead and say take full screenshot. Then in a few seconds we have the screenshot right here. So I can ask Copilot to do some stuff right here. Can you please extract text from the image, just like so. Let me quickly correct the spell right here, just like so. Then I'll come here and hit on send. So in a few seconds you can see we have main page, which is Google Chrome tab, shortcut icon, YouTube, PNG, WAG, rapid tags, Netherlander, hash shortcut, etc. So if I come back to this page right here, we have everything right here. So we can go on and see how we can use Copilot to take screenshots on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.